Hi, this is Uli and welcome back to another video about the airbrush stencils and how to work with them in real time. Today I'm doing the Panther with the fiery orange background. I have a mobile phone as a painting surface. I've put a sticker over the camera and I grinded it and used a foundation in black because I used it as first step. So I covered the whole Panther and therefore I have like the black background for this. Colors black and white as opaque and the rest are transparent candies. So I used yellow and now I use a fire red. And also using a light brown, so I get like this cool orange look. I'm doing a little bit of white and I'm going nearer to the surface, so I get like a nice white aura around it. And as you can see, the white highlights are also in there, and now I have like three other steps. So this is the first color, so I'm laying down the white and finishing with a blue. Now comes the all the stuff that's red and darker orange. So again, I'm laying down the white first. The more white you use, the more brighter the color gets. But because I wanted to have like a darker tone, I'm just using the red and some yellow. Oh no, sorry, this is the light brown. And this is step number 2. Now this is the step where I'm using white and yellow. So I'm laying down the white again. So now you can decide if you want to make things darker, like after the video I have put a little bit of dark blue on the main body and yeah, put in the cover stencil for the highlight white, and I'm doing a little bit on the white on the background. And I'm using some small dots that look like sparks. And use a little bit of yellow for this. And then it's finished. If you like the video, you can hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Bye.